For us at Rodale, our key is soil health, and we wanted to prove that you can use hogs to improve the health of the soil. We also wanted to show that you can do this on land that is minimal in size and marginal in quality, and actually improve the land that's present. My name is Ross Duffield. I am the farm manager here at Rodale Institute. The homesteading style of raising hogs is great for animal welfare, and it also improves the quality of the product. The confinement side of raising hogs has good sides when it comes to managing animals and feeding animals, but the animal welfare is reduced. So what we do is we take the good sides of both. We have high animal welfare and access to pasture, but we also have reduced labor and management on the side of the farmer. So our system is scalable and harnesses both sides of the industry. Younger farmers that I talk to don't want to keep animals in a poorly ventilated or a poorly welfare system. A lot of times in your confinement operations on concrete, there's heavy lameness within the pigs in the building here, and we're really diligent about avoiding that, because without feed underneath these pigs, they're not going to be able to succeed on pasture. The average age of the farmer in this country is in its upper 50s and lower 60s. We need younger farmers to start producing more pork. If you go into the grocery store now and try to find organic pork, there are very few places that you can find it. When it comes to organic production, younger farmers see an option, and we are helping to provide a model that they can emulate that will allow for more farmers to take part in the marketplace and not less. The biggest shift is educating the farmer on how to manage grass and how to manage pasture. It's easier to manage animals because there are tools in the confinement industry like antibiotics and hormones that allow you to grow the animals in a very small area. But we're really trying to harness the natural ability of pigs to graze and the natural ability of the soil to improve by using the pigs to improve it. So we manage the grass, and if we can teach other farmers how to manage that grass, our system can be very successful. What we want to do is allow the animals to be in more of a natural setting and provide them with good quality forage. And if we can do that, we can reduce and minimize the amount of grain that they're eating. And in the end, it's going to add to our bottom line. We can make better profit from the animals because we're putting less expenses into them. As you can see out here, we've purposely tilled this ground. This is farming ground, all right? This is good quality soil. But if you look over towards the red maple trees, that's marginal land. We cannot farm that. That has been set aside, and we just basically let it grow up and mow it once a year. Now, we can let the pigs do the work, and we can use this land that we could no longer farm and make money on it. Yeah, they'll chew on just about anything they can. Usually once they figure it's nothing tasty, they'll leave. The only upkeep I have to do is to make sure that the hogs are eating what they need and moving the fences through it. Now when they move through a section, I have to judge whether that pasture section will recover or if I need to recover it. And so that's where your work comes in, but it is very minimal. You're not constantly tilling the soil. You're not constantly putting and planting new crops. There are going to be sections that you're going to repair. Pigs will wallow. But the idea is with the building and the airflow that we have in the building, it will help prevent that. Also, the model is scalable. So if you have a farmer that wants to raise a few pigs, we can help them with that. If you have a farmer that wants to raise hundreds of pigs, we can also do that. Our system harnesses the best qualities of the intensive grazing of a homesteading operation, but with the reduced labor of a confinement operation. And in the end, 1, we're promoting animal welfare, 2, we're reducing labor on the side of the farmer, and 3, we are creating a superior product that the consumer will then enjoy.